Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to hide apps on Xiaomi 14T Pro. So firstly go into security app. Now scroll a bit down and go into hide apps. Now tap on any app and tap on got it. Now select the apps that you would like to hide. I'll select these three: AliExpress, Amazon and Booking. And now if I'll try to, let's say, search, you can, maybe let's do it another way. As you can see, here is Netflix, and if I'll just go here and go into security, can hide apps, Netflix, hide, it's no longer here. And now to access it, you just have to make a move, like, pinch, external pinching. So if you would like to get into something, you can see the gestures, so like this and boom. And as you can see, here are all of the hidden apps. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.